In this video, we are going to study the types of production systems. There are basically two types of production system. One is intermittent production system, another is continuous production system. Intermittent production can subclassified as job production, batch production and project production, and continuous production system can be subclassified as mass production and process production. So we will study one by one. Intermittent production system. In this type of production system, items are produced according to the customer's order. These items are produced on a small scale. Large variety of products are produced. The design of product change from time to time. Therefore, this system is very flexible. Examples include tailor shop, repair shops, goldsmiths, etc. Features of intermittent production systems are as follows. The flow of material is not continuous, it is intermittent. Wide variety of products are produced. The volume of production is small. General purpose machines are used. Process type plant layout is used. The sequence of operations change as per the design of product. Hand operated conventional type material handling systems are used. The quantity, quality, size, shape, design, etc. of the product depends on the customer's demand, and very intensive inspection is required. So these are the features of intermittent production system. Now the second is continuous production system. In this system, goods are produced continuously on large scale as per the demand forecast. We forecast before the production, and according to that demand we produce the products. These are not produced on customers' demand. The input and output, that is raw material and finished goods, along with the production process and sequence of operations is standardized. Examples of continuous production system are food industry, oil and gas industry, paper industry, sugar industry, etc. So this is continuous production system. What are the features of continuous production system? Features of continuous production system are: the flow of material is continuous. It is not intermittent. The products are standardized, that is, the quality standards are predetermined. The production is based on the demand forecast. The volume of production is large. Very less variety of products are produced. Special purpose machines are used. Product type plant layout is used. And standardized route sheet and schedules are used for production. Automatic material handling equipments, conveyors, etc. are used in this type of production. And very little inspection is required in this continuous production system. So these are the features of continuous production systems. Now we will discuss the intermittent sub classification of intermittent production system. So the first sub classification is job production system. In this system, the firm accepts a contract to produce one or few units of product strictly as per specifications provided by the customer. The product is produced within a given period of time and at a fixed cost. The cost is fixed at the time of signing the contract. In the job production system, the examples of job production system include service provided by repair shops, tailoring shops, fabrication shops making windows, gates, etc. for the houses. So this is the introduction of job production system. The features of job production system are: large variety of products are produced in very small quantity, sometimes only one. The goods are produced strictly as per the specifications provided by the customer. In the job production system, highly skilled workers are required to perform specialized jobs. and time needed to design the product may be sometimes more than the manufacturing time. So these are some typical features of job production system. Now the second intermittent production system is batch production system. In this system, the production of goods takes place in lots or batches. All work related to one batch of production must be completed before starting the next batch of production. Production may be based upon the demand of customer or upon the demand forecast. In the batch production system, volume of production is more than the job production but less than the mass production system. Examples are production of drugs and medicines, paints, clothes, etc. Now, the features of batch production system. General purpose machines and material handling equipments are used in this system. Variety of goods are produced in the batches, and large volume of work in process. The inventory in the work in process inventory is very large. So this is the batch production system. Now the third intermittent production system is project production system. In this type of production, the company undertakes a single complex order or contract. This contract order is to be completed within a given period of time at an estimated cost. Examples are construction of dams, construction of flyovers, buildings, power plants, etc. So this is intermittent production system, project production system. Features of the project production system are many agencies are involved in the project for specialized jobs. So coordination between these agencies is very important because the jobs are interrelated. Delays in projects occur delays in completion of the project occur due to complexity and massiveness of the project, and proper inspection is required at each stage. So this is the third type of intermittent production system. We have studied the first two: job production system, batch production system, and project production system. So these are the three intermittent production systems. Now we will discuss the continuous production system. There are two types of continuous production system. One is mass production system and another is process production system. As far as mass production system is concerned, continuous flow of material and no queuing at any stage of production. This is the first feature of this mass production system. There is limited work in process. Supervision or inspection is easy, very little inspection is to be done, and conveyors and automatic transfer machines are used for material handling. And as we discussed the process production system, there are certain points. A single product is produced and stocked in warehouse until it is demanded in the market. This is a kind of mass production system, continuous production system, and we produced only one type of product in very large volume. So the flexibility of these plants is almost zero. The plants producing using process production system, their flexibility is almost zero because only one product can be produced. All the facilities are arranged in the sequence of that product. Examples are steel industry, cement industry, paper industry, sugar industries, etc. In this process production system, very highly mechanized material handling systems are used. Very less skilled laborers can be employed. Very less work in process is there, and production planning can be decided well in advance. So these are the types of production system. Mass production system and process production system. The features, as we have already studied, features of both the mass production as well as process production systems are that the flow of material is continuous, it is not intermittent, the products are standardized and the quality standards are predetermined, the production is based upon the demand forecast, the volume of production is large, and very less variety of products, sometimes only one type of product. Special purpose machines are used for the production, and most importantly, product type layout is used, and automatic material handling equipments are used, little inspection is required. So these are the features of both mass production as well as process production system. So we have studied the types of production system. Basically there are two types, intermittent and continuous, and in intermittent job, batch and project type, and in continuous mass and process types. Mostly we understand the types of production system in only these three are mostly popular: job production system, batch production system, and mass production system. So we can compare accordingly, and these are the types of production systems. Thank you.